My name is Jeff Bonkoski. I'm a manufacturer sales rep with Hazard Control Technologies in the F500. Our product isn't designed or it isn't advertised to do what we're trying to do with it today as far as experimenting. But what we've done is we're going to treat that middle piece with a 0.5%. But we've got some cedars that he wants. I'm going to use a solution of 3% in 2.5 gallons of water. We're going to pre-treat this section to see how well the burn back resistance is. And again, this is a 3% mixture. I'll even do the board because I don't want it to fall down. I haven't even used all of it. I've used about 3/4 of the tank. 2.5 gallons, so roughly about 2 gallons is all that we've applied on there. Point out, like say, when we did the control burn with the Blandex at a 0.5%, it burned, relatively quickly. It held its own, but it burned a little quicker. Here we treated this with a 3% concentration, and I made it a point to treat the prop that held it up. And as you can see, there's hardly any singeing or any burning that's been done at all to the part or the section that was treated at 3% with F500 encapsulator agent.
Hello, it's Rick again with Flame Break, and those that have been following us will recognize our beloved F500 EA test pallet. Well, this is July 10th. The last time we tried to burn this was June 10th. It's been out in the weather. It's been rained on, sunned on, everything. And we're just going to see how well some of it held up. I'm expecting it to go up pretty quick, especially the bark areas that we've had very little burning on. And just to let you know, we do have a hot flame coming out of the torch. Let's see if we can burn some bark. Now this, once again, this is dried cedar, eastern red cedar. It's been off on the ground for almost a year, slab cut. About a 1/2 inch thick or a little more on the side slabs. I'll get that out of your way. Now, we haven't done anything other than let this pallet sit out in the weather since it was coated on June 6th of this year. I've got glowing char on the edge of that piece. When I pull the heat off of it, the flame goes out. That is unreal. Well, I'm back. I've got some new toys I borrowed. This is a propane forge burner that I borrowed from a buddy, with a 10 psi propane regulator on a standard 20-pound bottle. And this thing works pretty good for heating metal. Let's see if we can't burn down a pallet. our flame. You see it's really fairly aggressive. Let's see about the bark. And the bark goes out. And the flame goes out. Remember, it's been 33 days. Now I'm burning the grass out of there. It's been 33 days since this has been coated. And this cedar, especially the bark, should just go up like dried grass, and it's really not doing it.